All right, let's do a follow-up video, shall we? About a month and a half ago, I did a video that was on an abandoned tomato packing plant. Video will be up there in the link, or in the corner up there. What my dad actually found out is that there was a little bit of an update on the property. So it's actually been bought by the Tampa Electric Company. He actually did send me a document that is actually about this. So let me transition that over. So what we have is actually public. This is all public record. And as you see, looks like this is going to be a huge solar farm. As you see, the property owners are now Tampa Electric Company. This is the entire area that I actually ended up flying. And as you see, here's the former packing house. It's right here, right where I was. This is the little neighborhood that was over here. These are all of the empty tomato fields. As you see, it went much further back than I even thought it did. So, pretty cool overall. These are actually some satellite aerial photos. As you see, this is the whole area. This is the entire site. It's all going to become a solar farm, except it turns out the former packing house, which actually still stores equipment, and will, according to this, for up to 4 years. So that's still pretty cool. So it just gives all the information on the area and everything. I think it was pretty cool overall that they are actually doing something with it. Even though it has been abandoned, it was bought by the electric company, and they're going to turn it into solar power. So, nice clean power. Yay! So it looks like it is going to be a 74.9 megawatt solar electric power generation facility, as it says here overall. We'll see if this does get approved. As of right now, they are the property owners, Tampa Electric Company, that is. And hopefully this will go ahead and get turned into, a full solar field, essentially. Solar farm. Sorry, solar farm. Anyways, that's all this video really was. Just a quick little update on that video. Once again, there will be a link to it up in the corner. Anyways, guys, that's this video. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up button if you can on the way out. If not, hit the thumbs down button. Subscribe if you're not already, and hit the bell, of course, to get some notifications for future videos from Squappy's Videos. My name is Craig for Squappy's Videos. I hope you did enjoy this video today. Bye, everyone.